Chiliz value equivalent to $0.350 a coin. The present exchange cost range $22.50 when $23.54. The earlier day close $22.61. The change was plus 706%. Converse rate ICE to CHZ. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for May 2024. At the outset cost at 667 coins. Excessive cost 667, while low 556. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6193. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 5882, change for May 11.8%. US to CHZ expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 5882 coins. Excessive cost 5882, while low 5000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5507. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 5263, change for June 10.5%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for July 2024. Before all else cost at 5263 coins. Exorbitant cost 5263, while low 4762. The found the middle value of cost 5072. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 5000 change for July 50%. US to CHZ expectation for August 2024. To start with cost at 5000 coins. Exorbitant cost 5000, while low 45045. The found the middle value of cost 48827. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 4762, change for August 48%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for September 2024. To start with cost at 4762 coins. Excessive cost 5000, while low 4167. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4619. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 45045, change for September 46%. US to CHZ expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at 45045 coins. Excessive cost 4762, while low 4000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 44014. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 4348, change for October 43%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for November 2024. In the first place cost at 4348 coins. Exorbitant cost 45045, while low 3846. The found the middle value of cost 4227. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 4167, change for November 42%. US to CHZ expectation for December 2024. In the first place cost at 4167 coins. Exorbitant cost 4348, while low 3704. The found the middle value of cost 455. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 4000 change for December 4%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for January 2025. To start with cost at 4000 coins. Exorbitant cost 4167, while low 3571. The found the middle value of cost 3896. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 346, change for January 39%. US to CHZ expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at 3846 coins. Exorbitant cost 4000, while low 3448. The found the middle value of cost 3750. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3704, change for February 37%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 3704 coins. Exorbitant cost 4000, while low 3448. The found the middle value of cost 3714. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3704, change for spring 0%. US to CHZ expectation for April 2025. In the first place cost at 3704 coins. Exorbitant cost 3704, while low 3030. The found the middle value of cost 34016. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3226, change for April 12.9%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for May 2025. Before all else cost at 3226 coins. Excessive cost 3333, while low 29841. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3156. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3125, change for May 31%. US to CHZ expectation for June 2025. Before all else cost at 3125 coins. Excessive cost 3226, while low 2857. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3060. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3.30, change for June 3.0%. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for July 2025. To start with, cost at 3.030 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.4048, while low 3.030. They found the middle value of cost 3.184. The US to CHC estimate toward the month's end 3.226, change for July 6.5%. US to CHC expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at 3.226 coins. Excessive cost 3.226, while low 2.778. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.043. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2.41, change for August 8.8%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for September 2025. Initially cost at 2.41 coins. Excessive cost 2.041, while low 2.381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.707. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2.564, change for September 12.8%. US to CHZ expectation for October 2025. To start with, cost at 2.564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2.564, while low 2.83. They found the middle value of cost 2.358. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2.222, change for October 13.3%. Dollar to Chiliz estimate for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 2.222 coins. Exorbitant cost 2.857, while low 2.222. They found the middle value of cost 2.483. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2.632, change for November 18.5%. US to CHZ expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at 2.632 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.333, while low 2.632. They found the middle value of cost 2.9931. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3.125, change for December 18.7%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for January 2026. In the first place, cost at 3.125 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,000, while low 3.125. They found the middle value of cost 3.489. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3.704, change for January 18.5%. US to CHZ expectation for February 2026. To start with, cost at 3.704 coins. Exorbitant cost 3.704, while low 3.030. They found the middle value of cost 3.4816. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3.226, change for February 12.9%. Dollar to Chiliz gauge for Walk 2026. To start with, cost at 3.226 coins. Excessive cost 3.333, while low 2.941. The arrived at the midpoint of cost